If I forgot to refrigerate Picato for a week, will it be completely ineffective? It costs over $1,000 for a 3-day treatment, and I can't afford to pay out of pocket to replace the 3 tubes I neglected to refrigerate.
According to the package insert, the medication can be stored up to 59 degrees. This is the only information available. I would suggest contacting the manufacturer Leo Pharma at ## as they will have further data on stability of the drug. Hi, I have a suggestion for you. After confirming the stability issue with manufacturer, and if they say drug has lost its efficacy, you can still try one more thing. If you are a regular consumer of this costly medication or anticipate a long-term use based on your physician's suggestion, then call the manufacturer, Leo Pharma, connect to sales and distribution department, try to find the sales representative of Picato in your area, then explain to the rep about your incident and that you are going to be a consumer of this product for some months or a year, and that it's a costly medication which you cannot replace out of pocket. If the rep has some budget allocation for this product for this year, or if they have physician's sample, they may replace the damaged product for you at their discretion. It's a long haul, but give it a try. Good luck! Picato.com also has a coupon available that will pay up to $250 of your cost per month. Hopefully this can help decrease cost for you in the future as well. Thanks. Picato will not be completely ineffective in a week, especially in this cold weather. Per my references, store Picato gel in the refrigerator at 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, with excursions permitted between 32 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 15 degrees Celsius. Do not freeze. So rest assured, it will still work. Hope this helps. Regards, Dr. Riaz, Doctor of Pharmacy.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.